Hello, this is Christian for Life Force Microscopy. Today I'm gonna show you my chili pepper plants. All of them are 100% organic chili peppers. This plant over here is bitter pepper chili peppers. It's a very large plant. As you can see, it's about a meter tall. These peppers are hot. I'd say mild in the scale, if we're going to put it that way. If you eat them right off the plant, they'll burn. Like I said, they are not that hot, but if you are not used to eating chili peppers, they are going to burn your mouth for sure. This particular variety of chili peppers, as you can see, has many fruits, and the peppers are actually quite large. I really like them. So if you want a plant that will produce lots of hot chili peppers, this is the one you should look for. Bitter peppers. So I have some more varieties over here. This one they call corno di toro rozzo. It's an Italian variety of peppers, and to be honest, I haven't tried them yet, so I'm not sure if whether or not they are sweet chili peppers or hot chili peppers. These are very large. At least each pepper measures at least 10 to 15 centimeters in length. As you can see over here, they are quite large. And once they ripen, they go red. And finally, I have these two very large hot chili pepper plants. They are at least 2 meters high, and these are Carolina Reapers, and these are supposed to be the hottest chili peppers in the world. I got a few red ones already, and I'm waiting to try them out. With these, you have to be very careful when handling these kind of hot chili peppers. So you have to use gloves, and you have to wash your hands every time you handle Carolina Reapers, because they will burn like crazy if you touch your eyes, for example, or face. So you have to be really careful with this. So I have lots of Carolina Reapers that I'm waiting to harvest, maybe in about a month or so. We are at the end of April, and we are going into winter pretty soon. So the way I figure, yeah, maybe in about a month, all of these Carolina Reapers that are green right now will go red. Yeah, I can tell you that it's very difficult to have this variety of hot chili peppers in Australia, but you know, I guess I got lucky, so I have plenty of Carolina Reapers to eat. If you really like extremely hot chili peppers. So we'll see how it goes. Well, that is all for today. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you on my next video. Cheers. By the way, capsaicin is the chemical compound in hot chili peppers that give you that burning sensation in your mouth when you eat them. Eating hot chili peppers on a regular basis is something that you should consider. Of course, if you have stomach problems like gastritis and ulcers and things like that, I wouldn't recommend you to eat them. But if you don't have any stomach problems, by all means, you should eat them. You can eat them in your salads. You can blend them and make a soup, and you know, stuff like that. Capsaicin in hot chili peppers have anti-cancer properties, so keep that in mind, because this is something that you should really have or include in your diet.